Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. When it comes to styling surfaces around the house, coffee tables tend to get the most attention and thus steal the spotlight. But console tables are just as important. In fact, even more so, since they are often located in the entrance and the entryway, where a good first impression is crucial. A flawlessly styled console table finishes off a foyer or hallway with a flourish. Console tables offer versatile potential yet tend to fill extremely specific needs. When you need or want one, very few alternatives will suffice. Console tables come in many shapes and finishes but are usually defined by the unique height, taller than a coffee table but shorter than a chest of drawers. A console table usually stands at around 30 inches tall. These are generally used for stand-alone placement against a wall or against a back of a sofa. They can often double as a dining table, breakfast nook or bedroom vanity as well. Decorating a console table in an entryway can be a truly fun design endeavor, especially if you let your creativity take hold. While you may be tempted to agonize over the details, don't feel pressure to make everything perfect. Keep the two simple rules in mind. First, choose decor that truly works for your space. If you need this table to serve a purpose, such as holding key and mail by the front door, make that your priority and put the focus on the container rather than the object's art. Second, give yourself the freedom to let your style constantly evolve. If you view the table decor as an interesting statement that isn't set in stone, you can really enjoy the process of decorating it. Plus, you can make changes over time as you see fit. It goes without saying that you should choose a console table that works with your interior. There's nothing like a simple vase filled with tropical leaves or modern pot featuring your favorite plant to create a welcoming statement in your entryway. Create interest by featuring decor with a range of heights. Lamps are a great way to use vertical space while also illuminating your space. Stacking boxes and books can help create the height you need as well. Lower elements such as trays to hold the mail can also be very helpful. Create an asymmetrical look by grouping a few items off to one side. You get a big impact even if the items are small. Plus, much of the surface remains free of decor, creating a minimalist, uncluttered look. A beautiful nod to all things simple and romantic, such console table incorporates antique pieces with warm and homey charm. A chicken wire backdrop adds an element of farmhouse chic, while succulent and small blossoms lend freshness and life to the look. String up some multi-sized garland and you will have a complete, compelling look. Satisfy your inner diva with a head-turning modern glam console table with a combination of luxury accent and sleek design. Modern glam style is all about being noticed. The bold color scheme of glam style and the futuristic aesthetics of modern design are meant for each other. Start with a transparent glass console table to complement your color palette and let your console table decorations shine. Above the table, hang a bold, eye-catching piece of art. You may want to opt for exaggerated look of pop art for added extravagance. Next, adorn your table with gold accent, a must-have glam style. A reflective gold lamp will help enhance the light in the room and brighten the arrangement, and small gold statues can add visual interest to your vignette. Finally, soften up your display with a pair of plush chairs. High backed dinner chairs with a lovely pattern will add a sense of opulence and comfort to the display while balancing the weight of the arrangement. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern console table designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also download our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. You will find all the link in the description box below this video. Utilize the rest of the space with creative console table vignettes that flaunt your style. This includes items with various heights to balance the look on top, console table baskets for lower shelves, and possibly a pair of stools below the table or on the sides for seating a symmetry. Earthy tones, natural textures, and metal accent mingle together seamlessly to create farmhouse style. Like the heirloom furniture passed down from generation to generation on the farm, a quaint farmhouse console table will give you home a timeless appeal. An antique or distressed wood console table is the perfect foundation for a farmhouse arrangement. Choose a table with a dark stain for a traditional look, or add shabby chic flair with a table that looks weathered from years of use in a country farmhouse. Start your decorating with some farm-inspired art such as small statues, panels, or painted wood or canvas prints. Then complement the art by bringing in natural accents. Live plants and flowers are perfect for bringing the outdoor in. Wire baskets like the one used on the farm for carrying bottle or milk or collecting eggs are a great way to integrate aged metal while organizing or displaying items on your table. To complete the look, incorporate metal wall sconces with Edison style bulbs to bring some beautiful barn inspired lighting to the arrangement. Traditional style is rooted in the feeling of an era gone by, the perfect setting for ornate decoration or classical art. A traditional console table will bring a feature of class and splendor to your home. Beautifully crafted wood furniture is a staple of traditional style. Choose a console table with carved leg and a natural finish to set the stage for the rest of your decor. A collection of framed artwork above the table will add a rustic touch and help solidify the style of your arrangement. Balance your table with a pair of elegant lamps, one on each side, and use stacks of bound books to adjust the height of tabletop decor while creating visual interest. For a little Victorian touch, tufted ottomans work as a comfortable accent that can be used as extra seating or tucked under the table when not in use. Last but not the least, don't feel the need to fill every part of every shelf. As always, empty space can create a tranquil feel, especially when it comes to entryway console table that welcomes you into the home. Friends, hope you like this video on modern console table designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. You will find all the link in the description box below this video. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below this video. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the video that is suggested to you.